Do you work out every single day? Well, if your goal is losing weight, that might not be enough. Monitoring your diet is just as important as exercising to lose weight. Well, good for you! In today's video, we're telling you about the 7-day keto plan that will help you drop a few pounds. Let's jump right into this video. What is a keto diet? A ketogenic diet consists of a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet with moderate protein intake. It was first used to treat epilepsy in children about a century ago, but it is today a highly popular diet plan for everyone. It has highly great health advantages for a variety of health ailments, and you may easily lose weight without hunger by utilizing it. When you follow a ketogenic diet, your body is pushed to burn excess fat instead of carbohydrates to obtain the energy it requires. As a result, your body enters a condition called ketosis. Your body switches to utilize ketones as a source of energy. Ketones are a byproduct of fat metabolism that are used as an energy source by practically all cells in our body instead of glucose. Ketones are a type of fuel that allows the body to burn fat rather than glucose from carbohydrates. Now that you know what the keto diet is, let's move on to some key points you should have in mind while maintaining a keto diet. The following are some things to consider. There are some key points you should keep in mind while following a keto diet. Number 1. Proper planning. To get through the week, you may need to prepare your meals ahead of time just like any other diet. This will not only assist you in avoiding carbs to the greatest extent possible, but it will also ensure that you do not lose out on critical nutrients while on the diet. Lucky for you, we are helping you with exactly that in today's video. Number 2. Buy snacks that have less carbs. To avoid late-night cravings, keep low-carb snacks on hand such as unsalted almonds, seeds, and hard-boiled eggs. It will keep you from indulging in unhealthy munching that you may come to regret later. Number 3. Don't exercise too much. While moderate exercise is necessary for good health, if you're on the low-carb diet, it's crucial not to overdo it. Exercises that need more stamina and strength, such as running, swimming, and sprinting, will require additional carbohydrates. Number 4. Know which foods are ketogenic. Make sure you know which foods are high in carbs, fat, and protein so you can make informed decisions. Carbs are found in a variety of foods including bread, spaghetti, chips, cookies, sweets, and ice cream. Although beans are high in protein, they are also high in carbs. Carbohydrates are abundant in fruits and vegetables. That's all the points you just take into consideration before starting a keto diet, because in order for this to work, you cannot merely follow the diet. You must follow it correctly and with proper information and knowledge. Now, we won't keep you waiting any longer and dive straight into the diet plan we have for you. But before that, make sure you subscribe to our channel to never miss out on our interesting upcoming content. Day 1. Let us start off with Day 1. Since it is your first day starting off with a new diet, it may feel unusual. But in the end, it will be all worth your efforts and dedication. For breakfast, try having some tofu paired with a delicious strawberry smoothie made with some fresh strawberries and substituting sugar with honey or even maple syrup. Tofu is usually made up of soy milk, so you can enjoy it even if you're lactose intolerant, and also acts as a great substitute for meat in your salads. You can relish a summer vegetable bisque along with some egg salad for lunch. If you do not eat eggs or maybe just don't like them, you can also have a soy egg salad, just as delicious. Wash some raspberries because you're about to have them as a snack. Don't turn to chips and ruin your diet. Raspberries can actually be pretty filling and of course, taste phenomenal. Last meal of the day should be the best one according to us. Have some pork chops with some mashed cauliflowers instead of mashed potatoes and some red cabbage slaw as your salad for a filling ketogenic dinner. End of Day 1. Let's move on. Day 2. Moving on to the second day of your 1-week keto diet plan. Kick your day off with a scrumptious breakfast. Some scrambled eggs with butter along with an avocado toast, garnished with salt and pepper. Pop some sunflower seeds for a healthy snack. For lunch, you can enjoy yourselves with some grilled salmon and a side of spinach salad. If you want to use a little less oil to grill your salmon, simply use an air fryer if you own one. If you don't eat meat, add some tofu as a replacement for the salmon. Snack on some celery sticks and guacamole, and to end your day with a good dinner, try some zucchini noodles with some cream sauce along with some meatballs. Zucchini noodles are amazingly healthy and you can have them instead of regular pasta or noodles. If you're liking this video so far and finding it helpful, share this video with your friends and family and have them support or even join you in your keto journey. Day 3. Begin day 3 with a veggie and cheese omelette topped with some spicy salsa sauce to make your morning 10 times better. Have some crushed pecans along with some Greek yogurt for a simple yet almost gourmet snack. Because that is not only healthy, but also an amazing combination which is a delight to snack on. Don't feel like cooking today? Order some takeout miso soup paired with sashimi for your midday meal. Roasted chicken with sautéed mushrooms and grilled asparagus will serve as a delectable dinner for day 3 and bring it to an amazing end. What's your favorite meat? We think all of them are delicious. Now, let us move on to day 4. Day 4. We've reached day 4 of 7. How exciting is that? For breakfast, you may have some mushroom frittatas and spinach, and it is going to be a delicious start to the day. But if you're still hungry, you can have some macadamia nuts as a snack. Macadamia nuts are ketogenic and really good for your skin and hair as well since they contain omega-7 fatty acid. Go light on lunch today with some spiced lentil soup and vegetable slaw. And since you went light on lunch, you must be absolutely ravenous before dinner. Have some grilled beef kebabs and some roasted broccoli as your dinner and end your day with some sweet, indulgent apple crumb pie as dessert. What a sweet end to this day! Do you like apple crumb pie? Tell us by dropping a sweet comment. Day 5. Did someone say tofu Benedict? A rich, creamy, and tasty substitute for eggs Benedict. But of course, if you love eggs, go ahead and make some eggs Benedict for breakfast. Craving for some chips to snack on? Don't you worry about that. We are here to help you. Try Kale Chips instead. They're quite tasty and are a totally guilt-free snack. Lunch cannot be more awaited when you cook avocado rolls with poached salmon coated in seaweed. But make sure you don't add rice into your rolls. Have a pork bar as a snack today. Dinner can be fun even when you're on keto. Cook up some baked tofu and cauliflower rice and have some fudge truffles for dessert and complete day 5 on a sweet note. Day 6. We're on day 6 now. Eggs and bacon are always a classic and luckily it won't disrupt your keto mission. For lunch, you can enjoy spiced tempeh and sautéed vegetables. If you want something to snack on, try something new today. Jicama sticks dipped in hummus might be right up your alley. For dinner, relish some body trout and bok choy will keep you full and content. If you're longing for dessert, try blueberry soy cheesecake. Day 7. We have officially reached the last day of our diet. Let us end this week with a blast. For breakfast, have some creamy oatmeal with fruit. Don't be fooled by the reputation of oatmeal. There are recipes out there that turn this boring dish into an amazing breakfast that will make you do your happy dance. Some Cajun chicken along with black bean soup should fill you up until dinner because dinner today is going to be super delicious. Dive into some sloppy joes and a green vegetable salad to have a perfect end to your keto week. It is amazing that you did this. Tell us in the comments below which one these days are you eagerly waiting for and if you follow a keto diet. If you stayed with us so far and ate a keto diet for the whole week, we would be so proud of you. So go do it now!